Hi Aniket, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm also doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Aniket with us today. He has recently completed his multi-track training program here at I-MEDITA. He got placed with CompuCom as a network engineer. He's a fresher and it's his first job. So today we are going to discuss about his experience during the training, what kind of preparation he did for interviews as well. So hi Aniket, welcome again and let's get started. First of all, many heartiest congratulations for getting your first job as a network engineer. So how it feels like?
It feels really great, like getting a job, your first job, working for it for 8 to 9 months and getting it. Like I'm great.
Great. So as a fresher, when you get first job, it's a very wonderful experience, and I really appreciate all your efforts. And again, many congratulations. So can you tell us about your experience here at iMedita? How was your overall journey here? For which course you have enrolled, and what steps you have taken till now?
So, sir, I enrolled in I-MEDITA for multi-track course. I joined I-MEDITA in December 2024. So, in multi-track course, we have in CCNP routing switching and network security foundation, and also Palo Alto is included. So I did my CCNA from Sugan sir. So he was like very good at that, and his teaching way is very nice, and he explained everything into the depth so that we don't have to face any problem while doing CCNP. So we have good foundation for learning CCNP, and for CCNP, I did CCNP from Vikas, both routing and switching, and after that, I was doing my Palo Alto with Baldev sir, and in between that only I got placed at CompuCom.
Okay, you have not still completed the entire course. During the course itself, you got placed, right? Okay, you also attended PD classes and interview preparation classes.
Yes, I also attended PD classes where Shweta ma'am was there with us. So she helped a lot me. Like I was like good in communication, but not that confident to speak. Like it was my first time giving interview. So there I built my confidence and also got to know like how to face interview questions. So that also helped me a lot.
Great. So overall, are you happy with iMedita's classes and the services which we have offered to you?
Definitely, sir. Like this type of service, like we don't get anywhere. Like I have done before few courses, but never I get this type of services. So
Okay.
I'm definitely happy.
Tell us how much time you spent here. You mentioned that you were doing these courses from last couple of 6, 7, 8 months. You
Yes.
started with CCNA, then did CCNP, then network security. Along with that, you do PD. You did PD classes and interview preparation classes. On an everyday basis, how much time you were spending with classes, and after that, how much time you were spending with labs and self study.
So, sir, I used to have my classes at 8, morning 8. So I used to come at 8, and after that 2 hours of lectures. And usually I used to do parallel batches. Like at evening batches, it was at 3 to 5. So in between that, I sit in the lab, study. I take my lunch and have here only. So I used to spend whole day here, and like at evening, I used to go to home.
Okay, so you were spending minimum 7, 8, 9 hours here, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Also, before enrolling here, okay, Aniket was having limited knowledge in networking. Now, when you have completed couple of modules, couple of technologies, you did some hands-on and some revision related to those technologies. How confident you are today? What differences do you feel today if you compare yourself 6 months back before starting CCNA and now when you have completed almost 80, 90% of course? What differences you are feeling?
So like the main difference is that we don't have any industrial knowledge before joining the classes. After coming here, I get to know about how router exactly looks. Like before that, I didn't even know how router and switches used to look, and which tools we use, which softwares we have to use, how to get access of router and switches remotely. So all that thing we got to learn here only. So there is a big difference like before joining classes and after getting it. And really after getting knowledge, you get confidence also.
Okay. I am sure before enrolling with iMedita, there must be certain expectations in your mind that this is what I'm going to learn.
Yes,
This
sir.
is what I expect from instructor, from training institute, from in terms of study material, in terms of lab. So overall, uh, before joining here, the expectations which you were having, and now when you have completed most of the modules,
Mhm.
were we able to met those expectations with which Aniket was having before starting the courses?
Yes, 100%. I would say that my all the expectations were satisfied here. Like I got the knowledge what I wanted to. I got experience and also got to network with people here who are experienced than me, and got to connect with teachers. So I learned here only.
Okay. What kind of study material you followed here, and what was your approach to do revision and practice? Like what you were using, what softwares you were using, what hardwares you were using, what platforms you were using for your revision and self-study?
So, sir, like we have recorded lectures. So I used to see recorded lectures after doing my lectures, and also practice the labs on packet tracer. So yeah, like the best benefit is that we can see the recorded lecture anytime, anywhere. That's the best thing.
Okay. You did practicals on real devices also?
Yeah, sir. I also did practicals on real devices. So I practice many different practicals. And if you face any issue, you can go to any faculty. They will help you out any time. You have Snail ma'am also here. She is always there for you. So there is no issue.
Okay. And in terms of interview preparation, how you have prepared yourself for interview? PD classes were sufficient, or you have followed some notes, some handouts, some interview preparation material?
Definitely, interview preparation material was given by you, and also PD helped me a lot. And technically, like after doing lectures, I don't think that you study much about any technically. You get all the things there only. So yes, it's enough for giving it.
And how many interviews you have given till now?
So this was my fourth interview. Before that, I gave three interviews.
Okay, great, great. And what kind of questions were asked during the interview? What was the this company's interview process?
So the process was like they had a first technical interview. In that, as it was for fresher role, so they asked basic question related CCNA only. So not in depth, but basic questions only.
Okay, fine. And you got all the required study material resources from our end for your study purposes?
Yes, sir, definitely. We got the study materials also. Like for every module, we have different books, and like for subnetting also, we have a different book where we can practice subnetting questions. So that thing also help a lot.
Okay. And overall, if you have this opportunity to share or give ratings based on our training and services which we are offering, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
But obviously, 10 on 10.
Okay, thank you. And do you have any suggestion through which we may improve our training and services in future?
So like training and teaching is very good. There is no such suggestion. I would say that expand more. Like more students wants to come here.
Right, right. Okay. Thank you, Aniket. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for future endeavors. This being your first job as a fresher, company do expect a lot of initiatives from your end. Okay. Try to give maximum output to the organization. Try to contribute through your efforts to the team productivity and do team contribution as well. And keep learning, keep growing. If your certain modules are pending here with I-MEDITA, do complete them during your weekends or whenever you have time. And all the best once again. Thank you. Have a good day.
So